Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 18th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Xpeng today. Give you all an Xpeng stock prediction. It's been a very long time since I did a video in Xpeng, so I said let me come through and talk about it today. So let's go ahead and get this video started. But first, you guys can see I did a price prediction in Xpeng on February the 6th. Price prediction is still here on the chart. You guys can see that I anticipated that Xpeng is going to go down. And it did, not surprised. Congratulations to those who was able to profit off of this price prediction, 14.11%. Ultimately, you guys can see that Xpeng came to a low on June the 1st of $7.51. If you held on to that time, your profit would then be 28.12. Congratulations. Now, let's talk about the market now. So we can take this horizontal line right here in Xpeng, right? And we can bring it down to the lows of these daily price bars here. This is where the ultimate low has been in Xpeng, and you guys can tell as I extend this line over that Xpeng is simply trading within a trading channel. That's it. This is where this particular stock has been ever since October of 2022. Price is trading within a range. So now we're here at the upper portion of this trading range, this trading channel of 12 bucks. Do you think the market in Xpeng is going to break out? Or will we see the market in Xpeng get rejected just like it did here back in the beginning of this year? Even towards the beginning of December of last year, Xpeng have shown us that they did not have the ability to break price above 12 bucks. Can we do it now? Right? Because the last couple of trading days in the market in Xpeng has been fantastic. Like, this market has completely broken out to the upside, right? So now we need to consider, will it continue to happen? Let's take a look at the market in Xpeng on a longer term chart, because it gives us an idea as to how the market truly is thinking in terms of continuing to go higher or lower in the long term. So we're starting out on the 2-weekly chart. Look at this. A very good price spread was generated right here on the last 2 weeks. Very good. There is some strength here on the chart on a 2-weekly time frame. Take a look at Xpeng on the 3. Again, even on the longer term, you guys can see that Xpeng is still closing up here at the high end of this 3-weekly price bar. This one 3-weekly price bar has literally traded the spread of all of these other 3-weekly price bars in one. Do you think the market in Xpeng is ready to break out? Here it is on the 5-weekly chart. Here it is on the month. Now, I will tell you this, on the monthly time frame, if it doesn't happen before the next 12 days and 6 hours, this is bullish right there. For the month of June, that's bullish right now, but we still have 12 days and 6 hours. Okay. Now, seeing that the market currently is bullish down here in Xpeng, our next biggest area of resistance into the market in Xpeng, once it breaks out, is going to be around 17 bucks. Yes. So we have a couple of areas in between where price closed on Friday to run up here towards 18 that could also be seen as resistance, namely like this monthly bar right there, $13. That could definitely impact the market in the next month. But what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and create this area here because I wanted to begin to think where those next areas of resistance could possibly be at in Xpeng. Okay. So that is there. We place that there. And now I do suspect, okay, I'm just going to keep it real, that the market weakness is going to come through initially. Okay. We can see it right here on this 13-hour price bar that we are seeing some hints beginning to come in the market in Xpeng right now of selling. This is what this up fake bar represents. And being that it is up here at an area that we know is resistance, yeah, we need to be a little bit more cautious. Here's Xpeng on a 330-minute chart. And again, you guys can see it there. So from out the gate, be prepared to see the market in Xpeng go lower. But from a longer term perspective, this particular stock still seemingly look like it wants to go up. From a 2-weekly chart to a 3-weekly chart. Daily time frame, hourly chart, yeah, the market is telling us that some people may try to come through and take some profit out the market. Okay, So you need to consider this trend line here. For us to see buyers come in, we want to see buyers bounce off that trend line, or we want to see them come off this one. Okay. Now, I really don't think the market's going to hold that trend. That's too steep. So what we need to do is look for the market buyers to come in alongside this one. Okay. So normally, seeing that we do have weakness on the hourly chart up here around $12, I wouldn't do a price prediction because, like I told you, from out the gate, I'm looking for the market to go lower. Now, we see the buyers hold 11 to even $10. That's even better for us to see that long-term purview occur into the market in the next point to continue to see it go higher. But nevertheless, since I don't cover this stock daily, we're going to go ahead and look for price in Xpeng to continue to go higher. Okay. And we're going to look for Xpeng to come through and hold like $9.34. Okay. Now let's get to the targets. I already know that 12 bucks is resistance. So if you want to skim out some profit there on the next move to the upside to that point, cool. That's what? Around 5.5%. Our first target is going to be up here around 13. It's around 14% move higher there. And then my second target is going to be around 15. Okay. Now that's in the long term. Like I said, I've shown you the 2 weeks and the 3 weekly chart. The monthly time frame is going to be real important in the next 12 days for us to really see the market run up there to that 1750 in the long term. So I really want us to see that occur into the market in the next month. But we'll just hold those two targets first. Okay, 13 and then $15. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Let me know where you guys think Xpeng is going to go. This is what I'm thinking. I do suspect, at least in the long term, price in Xpeng to continue to remain as bullishness unless that monthly price bar really turns into weakness. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.